kind of have to ignore the room here. As you can tell, I've been working on the master cylinder here, and there was a rubber line that was extending out of here, and come to further inspection, it's actually a steel line that I've got to replace. So that takes the curiosity out of the rubber line and why it was there in the begin with. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is where I'm working at. This is where the master cylinder goes. Is right here, connected to the brake pedal, running through the spring. So that's where I'm working at right now, is to try and get, I've got two lines, one that comes up from here, and that fills the top of the tank, and this one is the feed line. And I didn't notice it before until now, but this has brand new brake lines put on it. Not sure if you can see that or not, but that sure does look like a brand new brake line to me. And then I got to looking a little farther and noticed that this has disc brakes and a new caliper. Huh. Yep, so that. So yeah, we have a new brake caliper. For some reason it just jumped on the car. And rotors. And a new brake hose. But nobody's worked on the brakes. So I don't know how these magical things are happening. But the last person, this actual panel unbolts. They just took it and just basically just bent the yahoo out of it so they could get back here to these bolts, and left a wrench on it. So I am back to running to the parts store. Alright, so I am about to run to the parts store as soon as I can get up off of the floor here. And I've got to go run, get some brake line, clean up some plungers a little bit more, and get some more steel line, and get them bled today, hopefully. Kim's coming back down today about 8:30. It's about 6 right now, so yeah. Just having magical new parts show up on the car. So I got a brand new brake hose, both sides. Brand new master cylinders, both sides. Brand new brake pads, both sides. And now I'm putting on the master cylinder. Yeah. Could have started with the master cylinder first. And I got to check to see if a disc brake swap was done. This master cylinder that I'm putting on is not going to work because it's not a dual pot. So yeah, magically they just appeared. I know my father didn't put them on, so I guess this is what I got to work with. So I'll see you down at the parts store.